Hello, in this video, today we are going to learn how to use your distance learning platform that we are going to use the whole session for learning. That is Edmodo. First, you need to go to Google and search Edmodo, or you can write directly over here in the address bar www.edmodo.com. You will be directed to this page. Okay, here you will have two options: sign up and login. Sign up we always use when we need to create a new account. Currently, your account is already created by your school, so you are not going to use the sign up option, you will use login option. As you will click on login, it will ask you a username and password. The username and password is already given to you by your school. Type the same that is sent. I'm typing mine username and password. Okay, remember, never save your passwords at any place. If you are using your own home computer, laptop, you can save your password so that you can log in easily next time. This is the main stream you have entered to the school distance learning portal. Here you can find your class 1A, 1B, 1C. Then you all will be having a number over here. That is your roll number. After roll number, your name will be appearing. Down your name, you have your school name. Next, we have my classes. As you are in grade 1A, B or C, so you will find the same grade in which you are in under this my classes. Click on it. This is your class main stream where you will find the notice that is going to send by your class teacher that is not related to any particular subject. Here you have small groups. In the small groups, you can find your all subjects that we are going to learn this year. The first one is art. When you click on the art, now you are in an art section. So all the work related to the art is going to be posted by your art teacher in this section. If you will click on computer science, you will get all the work that is sent to you by your computer teacher. Same for the all. Then I request you that if you have any query related to the subject, you click on the same subject and then post your query over here, so that that particular teacher can read and reply. And refrain from posting hi, hello, as it makes the page clutter and you will not be able to find the work posted by your teacher easily. Here you have folders option. In this folder, if your teacher will upload a file, you will get it. The most interesting thing is backpack over here. If you will click on the backpack, you will get an empty folder over here. This empty folder means you have not added anything in the portal right now. Let's suppose you are working with your father's computer one day. You keep all the files over here by clicking on the new and upload the file. So if you will work with your mother's computer or device next day, you will not be worried that my files are in my father's computer. You can find your all work in a backpack over here. Okay, in the classes, there is an option progress. If you will click on progress, you will notice that you have 0% grade and 0 badges, as we have not starting now. As you will do work, teachers will give you assignments, projects, you will do, teacher will give you grades and badges. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will tell you how to send your work to your teacher that your teacher is asking. Good luck for your new session, grade 1. Here we have an option of logout.